Welcome workers. We are on Tuesday, July 19, 2022. We are in the city of Toronto on Don Valley Bricks Works Park. So they said this trail will take you to a variety of habitats. So I'm here right now. I'm gonna take that way, all of the way, just to turn around to the beginning of the cemetery. Okay, so here we go. It's a beautiful trail anyway. Let's take a look at a few meters. Look, very nice. That way. This is the surroundings of Toronto City, almost close to downtown, in the area of Don Valley, which is a huge area anyway. There's the highway over there. Now, maybe I have to stop over there to check that out, the route. But this is the middle of the city. You won't believe this, but it's in the middle of the city. Okay, I have to stop here to check where exactly I have to go. Look, there is a path over there. Path. Okay, I'm gonna take the shortcut, maybe. Okay. See you later.